Okay folks, as promised, I'm going to attempt to make some damper again. So a little bit of a change up from last time. As we know, it didn't go particularly well with me burning the damper. Mind you, it was the first time I've ever tried doing it in a camp oven. So that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. And this time round, we're actually going to throw in a little bit of butter and also some low alcohol milk stout as a replacement for some of the water. So that's only a 0.5 galactic milk stout. So yeah, just to add a little bit of flavour. We've already got the fire started over here, so we'll have to wait for the coals. That was the issue last time too, is the fire was a little bit too hot. So I'll break those coals up nicely before we get started and keep a bit of a closer eye on things. But yeah, let's get cracking. Okay, so the ingredients that we have here, guys, is self-raising flour, which we need approximately 3 cups of. Apologise for the traffic as well. They always seem to come out in their cars when I'm trying to record a video. Bastards. It's a conspiracy. Bicarb soda, bit of that, a little bit of butter, some salt, and of course, as I said, the secret ingredient this time around is the beer as well. So we'll whack some of that in. Okay folks, so I've popped it in the camp oven here. It's lined with a bit of oil. I'll take it over to the fire where we'll pop some coals underneath and a few coals on top. Obviously we don't want to make it too hot. That was our issue last time. So I've got fewer coals, but also they are not as red hot as they were last time. So these guys, a little bit of trial and error. I'm just hoping for a better result than last time, which shouldn't be too difficult. Alright, what are we thinking, folks? We'll come and check it in about 20 and see how we go. I'd rather check it sooner rather than later. Alright, back again shortly. Quite the full-on day we've had today, so it wasn't on the schedule to work out that way, but nonetheless it was a good day. Beautiful weather, had the boys over, which is always great to have them come and hang out with me on the weekends. So yeah, so yeah, not much else to report, guys. We've got the, as you know, we've got the Follow the Sun merchandise in, so which is selling through really well. So if you want to get hold of a tee or cap, get in touch with me. Profits going to Pankind, and yeah, we're looking at doing some winter product too, so some crew jumpers and some beanies, which we'll probably look at getting those orders placed in the coming month, so we have stock of those probably by May, knowing full well it doesn't really get cold here till probably July, August are probably our 2 colder months, but we'd like to get stock in by June at the latest. But yeah, not too much else. One thing I would like to do, guys, is to hear from you. So look, if there's any sort of videos that you'd like me to do, I have yet to check through the drone footage I took today down at Bayswater along the river there, so hopefully that's turned out well. If it hasn't, then you won't see it. If it has, then it'll appear in this video. But yeah, looking forward to doing a bit more of that, and also probably doing some underwater footage as well, and yeah, getting involved with that, maybe down at the Omeo dive wreck place, and there's a few other little secret spots off the coast as well, which you'll be able to check out. So yeah, so onwards and upwards. As you know, I've started my treatment this week, the linear treatment, so I'm about 4 or 5 days in, and at this stage no ill side effects, which is touch wood, which is tremendous news. So which means I can go about living a sort of a normal life to some extent. Obviously still you know, I get a fair bit of stomach discomfort and things like that. Very fatigued, my memory is really shot, and a few other little things, which is due to some of the other medications. Still not driving for that reason as well, but look, really, I couldn't be happier with the way things are going, and the support I've had from you lovely folk.